Hey there, Sean Bailey, and welcome to this video today where I'm going to show you one of my top performing ClickFunnels affiliate marketing funnels and how you can go and copy it. And I will take you through all the steps involved. But first, if you wouldn't mind clicking like, subscribe, notify if you want to get notifications about whenever I put out a video. I thank you in advance. It really helps me out with YouTube. I probably made other videos where I've outlined offers a little bit more, but just to simplify it for you, if you go over to seanbailey.com/fast track, you can see an example of an offer, right? You take an existing product and then you add to it. Now, the reason you want to do that is because if you go and just promote products and just essentially put out an affiliate link on the internet, no one is going to want to buy. But if you go and transform that product into an offer, well, people are going to find it irresistible, as you see, and as I'm going to walk you through here. So step one is to promote a product by turning it into an offer. Now, step two is you want to set up your affiliate funnel here. So now, as far as the structure, it's actually quite simple. There's a landing page. We have a page where it tells them how to get the bonuses that we're offering. Then they go to the affiliate product. Once they purchase that, they're going to get an email to access the bonuses. They go access the bonuses, and in this case, it's Funnel Scripts Fast Track. It is an awesome bonus that I created in regards to it, and I'll show you what I mean here. But this is it. This is the entire funnel. Now, like I said, I designed this to be simple here. It's a two-page setup, really. We've got our landing page, and then we've got a page directing them to how to get the bonuses. So we can see on the landing page here, it's quite simple, right? It's just a simple landing page. It outlines the offer itself as far as what they're going to get. Now I say, hey, let me make this even better for you. If you go and take advantage of this, you're going to get these other free bonuses as well. And I show them the value of each one of these bonuses that they're going to get and make it to the point where in their brain they're going to think, well, I'm going to go and get this thing anyway, so why wouldn't I get these free bonuses and get the product that I want as well, right? That's the mentality that you have to have when it comes to creating these offers, and it turns into awesome results, right? So on the next page, we explain to them how to get the bonuses, right? We make it really clear, spell it out for them, make it clear, and make it obvious. Now, once you go and actually set this thing up here, you're going to see you should get a fairly good landing page opt-in rate, meaning that when people get to your landing page, they're interested in what you're offering and they're going to opt in. And the reason we want a high opt-in rate is that after they go and opt in, whether or not they take advantage of your affiliate product, you are still able to go and market to these people. Maybe you can send them more emails if they don't go and buy in regards to the product and start outlining the bonuses that they'll get with the product, right? And step three is to go and take the tools that they're offering and use them. Most products that you can promote as an affiliate, they're going to offer affiliate tools to you, right? So go and take those things and use them. How long would it take you to go and create this, image in Photoshop, put in the arrows and the little images overlaid on top of each other, or you could just go grab this thing and swipe it. Same with email copy, right? Instead of starting with a blank piece of paper, you can go grab a sample email that they've got, plug it into your own email autoresponder service, and then make some adjustments to it. Turn it into your own tone, your own voice, your own style, whatever. But this way, you're going and making some adjustments to an existing email versus trying to bang up an email from scratch yourself, right? And the last thing is that you want to over-deliver. Once they've decided to go and take advantage and get the product because you've turned it into an offer, you want to give your bonuses and you want to over-deliver. You can see in this example here, once they get in, they're going to get access to all the bonuses that they've offered, plus some extra stuff that I've thrown in just to over-deliver, because the next time they get an email from me, I want them to open, I want them to click, because they know already in advance that it's going to be awesome. So that is it. Just follow those 3 steps and you can achieve the same kind of results I did. And again, if you want to go see an example, just go over to seanbailey.com/fast track and you can see as far as turning a product into an offer. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.